How to refund tickets on Ticketmaster. So Ticketmaster offers a few options for refunding tickets, but it depends on the event venue and ticket type. So here's how you can check if you're eligible for a refund and request one. First, you gotta check refund eligibility. So refundable tickets, some events offer refundable tickets. You can request a refund if you purchased refund protection through a third party like Alliance or Ticketmaster's insurance partner when buying your tickets. Cancellations or rescheduled events. If an event is cancelled Ticketmaster usually offers automatic refunds for rescheduled events. You may be given the option to request a refund. And here's how we can request a refund using the Ticketmaster app or website. We want to log into our account or just open up the Ticketmaster app and go to My Tickets. In your account, you will need to find the My Tickets section or My Events and select the event for which you would need to request a refund. Check refund options. If the event is cancelled or eligible for refunds, you'll see a request a refund option next to the event. If it's rescheduled, you might have the option to either accept the new date or request a refund. Then you just gotta follow the prompts, so click on request a refund and follow the instructions to submit your refund request. Confirm your selection and Ticketmaster will process your refund. The amount will be credited back to the original payment method. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.